Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer files from Dropbox to OneDrive using Power Automate, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Power Automate website. Log into your Microsoft account if prompted. Once logged in, click on Create found in the left-hand menu. Select Automated Cloud Flow from the options available. In the Build an Automated Flow window, give your flow a name. Search for the when a file is created or modified trigger from Dropbox. Choose the Dropbox connector and select the trigger. Link your Dropbox account if it's not already connected. After the trigger is set, select the appropriate folder in Dropbox to monitor. Now, click on +New Step to add the next action. Search for the Get File Content action in the Dropbox connector. Select the action and choose the file identifier from the previous step. Click on +New Step again to add another action. This time, search for the Create File action in the OneDrive connector. Select the OneDrive connector and then select Create File. Choose the appropriate OneDrive folder where the files will be transferred. In the File Name field, you can use the file name dynamic content from the previous Dropbox step. In the File Content field, use the File Content dynamic content from the Get File Content action. Review your flow settings to ensure everything is set correctly. Click on Save to finalize your automated flow. Now, test your flow by uploading a file to the specified Dropbox folder. Monitor the flow run on your Power Automate dashboard to ensure it executes successfully. Once confirmed, check your OneDrive folder to see if the file has been transferred successfully. Your automated process for transferring files from Dropbox to OneDrive is now set and ready to go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.